Some places on Earth hold a special kind of magic, and the Dead Sea is one of them. It sits at the lowest point on our planet, drawing people for thousands of years. Here, mystery lingers in the air and the water itself. This isn't just a sea, it's a living piece of history. Nature's power and beauty are on full display. The Dead Sea challenges what you know about water. Surrounded by harsh desert, the blue expanse looks inviting but holds secrets. The silence is profound, making you feel small in this ancient landscape. It's a place that commands respect and reminds you of Earth's raw forces. Imagine standing on its shores, the sun beating down, the air thick with minerals. You taste the salt before you even touch the water. Legends say ancient cities lie beneath its depths. Kings and prophets once walked these shores. Every grain of sand seems to have a story. Adventurers are drawn here, seeking to connect with something powerful and ancient. The Dead Sea is both a test of survival and a source of wonder. This journey is about more than seeing a landmark, it's about feeling something timeless. We're here to explore its mysteries together. From floating effortlessly to the healing mud on its banks, we'll uncover what makes this place special. Get ready to discover the soul of the Dead Sea. This is an adventure for both body and spirit. The landscape is unchanged for centuries, and it leaves a mark on all who visit. The Dead Sea is a place that will stay with you long after you leave. It's a world where history, legend, and nature collide. Here you don't just visit, you become part of the story. Let's begin our journey into the heart of the Dead Sea. The adventure starts now. Welcome to a place of ancient secrets. The adventure begins before you even reach the water. Traveling to the Dead Sea feels like crossing into another world. The road winds down, descending over 400 meters below sea level. The air grows warmer and thicker, your ears pop from the pressure. Rugged, sun-baked mountains surround you, painted in shades of brown and gold. The first glimpse of the Dead Sea is breathtaking, a shimmering sheet of blue in the desert. The stillness is striking. There are no boats, no waves, just silence. This deep quiet forces you to slow down and be present. The shores aren't sandy, they're crusted with white salt, crunching underfoot. Salt forms intricate patterns, covering rocks and branches like diamonds. The air is briny, rich in minerals that calm and relax you. Just breathing here feels therapeutic. Setting up camp is a survivalist's dream. Intense sun, little shade, and the need for fresh water. But the reward is unforgettable. Watching the sunset over the Dead Sea, the sky explodes in orange, pink, and purple. The water becomes a perfect mirror, reflecting the colors of the sky. It's a moment of wild, pure beauty. The journey here is as memorable as the destination. Every step brings you closer to something extraordinary. The landscape prepares you for the unique experience ahead. The Dead Sea's magic begins long before you touch the water. It's a place that invites you to pause and take it all in. Here, the adventure is as much about the journey as the destination. The lowest point on Earth is just the beginning. Let's see what awaits at the water's edge. Now for the main event, getting in the water. This isn't an ordinary swim. The water feels oily and silky thanks to its high mineral content. As you wade in, the ground is slick with mud and salt crystals. Lean back and suddenly, you're floating. The Dead Sea is nearly 10 times saltier than the ocean, making the water incredibly dense. You can't sink, even if you try. It's a sensation like lying on an invisible waterbed. You can read a book or gaze at the sky, effortlessly supported. But caution is key. A drop in your eyes stings, and swallowing the water is dangerous. Floating here is about quiet contemplation, not splashing or swimming laps. It's a lesson in trusting and respecting nature's power. This unique buoyancy has fascinated people for centuries. Even the Romans marveled at it, testing the water's magic. Today, we know the science, but the feeling remains magical. Floating in the Dead Sea is a bucket list experience for a reason. It's a reminder that our planet is full of surprises. Sometimes the most amazing things come from simple natural laws. The Dead Sea invites you to let go and experience something truly unique. Here you're weightless, free from gravity, free from worry. It's a moment of pure wonder. The water holds you up, and for a while you feel limitless. This is why people travel from all over the world to float here. The experience is unforgettable. The Dead Sea's salty embrace is unlike anything else on Earth. It's a wonder you have to feel to believe. Let yourself drift. You're part of the magic now. Welcome to the salty wonder of the Dead Sea. The surface of the Dead Sea is famous, but its depths hide another world. Diving is nearly impossible, so scientists use special equipment to explore below. They find massive salt pillars, underwater skyscrapers constantly growing and changing. These formations create a surreal, crystalline landscape. The seabed glitters with salt crystals, sparkling in the light. It's a silent kingdom where salt is the architect. Underwater springs bubble up, mixing fresh water with the salty sea. This creates strange ripples and plumes like underwater smoke. Around these springs, life finds a way. Tiny microbes thrive in the harshest conditions. The Dead Sea is not dead at all. It's a dynamic, active place. Salt pillars grow, springs flow, and life adapts. Scientists study this natural laboratory to learn about geology, chemistry, and survival. Every discovery reveals more about our planet's secrets. The real adventure is often hidden from view. The Dead Sea's depths remind us there's always more to explore. What we see on the surface is just the beginning. Beneath, a world of salt and resilience waits to be discovered. The Dead Sea's hidden world is a testament to nature's creativity. It's a place where even the impossible becomes real. The adventure continues even where we cannot see. The Dead Sea has inspired myths and legends for centuries. Early explorers were baffled by its properties. Ships struggled, fish died instantly, and the place seemed cursed. In 1947, a Bedouin shepherd discovered the Dead Sea Scrolls in a cave above the sea, ancient manuscripts preserved for 2,000 years. Scientists have braved the harsh conditions to study the water and geology, making discoveries about salt crystals and the sea's unique layers. These stories add to the magic of the Dead Sea. When you float here, you join a long line of adventurers, from prophets to modern scientists. Each came with questions and left with awe. The landscape holds these memories: caves, salt, and water, all witnesses to human curiosity. The Dead Sea connects us to our past and inspires us to keep exploring. It's a place where history and adventure meet, and every visitor becomes part of its ongoing story. For thousands of years, people have come to the Dead Sea for healing. The water, mud, and air are packed with minerals like magnesium and potassium, great for the skin and body. Soaking here soothes skin, relaxes muscles, and reduces stress. The black mud is a natural beauty treatment. Cover yourself, let it dry, then wash off for incredibly soft skin. The air is denser and richer in oxygen, filtered by the thick atmosphere. It's dry and pollen-free, perfect for those with respiratory issues. This unique environment makes the Dead Sea a world-renowned center for wellness. People travel from around the globe to experience its healing power. Here, nature provides remedies and reminds us of our connection to the earth. A trip to the Dead Sea is a chance to slow down and restore yourself. It heals body, mind, and spirit. That's part of what makes this place so special. Some experiences change you, and a journey to the Dead Sea is one of them. Standing at the lowest point on Earth, feeling the salty air and floating in the water, these are moments you can't get from pictures. The stories you'll tell, floating where you can't sink, covering yourself in ancient mud, watching the sunset over timeless mountains, become part of who you are. The Dead Sea offers adventure for everyone. Hike canyons, explore ancient fortresses, or simply float your cares away. It's a place to disconnect from daily noise and reconnect with something real. Start planning, look at a map, dream about the journey. The Dead Sea is one of the world's most unique places. Don't just hear about it, go experience it. Make it part of your story. Answer the call to adventure. The wonder of the Dead Sea is waiting for you. You'll return with more than souvenirs, you'll return changed. As our journey ends, the Dead Sea leaves a lasting mark. It's more than a geological wonder, it's a symbol of resilience. But this treasure is in danger. The water level drops every year. We have a responsibility to protect it for future generations. The Dead Sea teaches us about history, science, and our connection to nature. Floating here, you feel part of something bigger. Let this memory inspire you to explore, learn, and care for our planet. The magic of the Dead Sea is in how it makes you feel: wonder, peace, connection. Carry that feeling with you. Let it inspire your next adventure. Our journey to the Dead Sea is just one of many adventures the world offers. The spirit of adventure is about curiosity and discovery. Your personal journey is just beginning. Thank you for joining me on this expedition. Every place we explore expands our understanding and connection to the world. Keep that fire for adventure burning. The world is a big book. Keep turning the pages. Your next adventure could be anywhere. The wild is calling. Go answer it. Until next time, stay adventurous.